Tuffy, why are group 1 metals called alkali metals?
It's because they react with water to form alkaline solutions. Rumby, why is potassium more reactive than lithium?
It's because potassium's outer electron is further from the nucleus, so it's easier to remove. Tuffy, what are the unusual properties of group 1 metals?
They are very reactive, especially with water.
All right, team, let's head to the lab.
Yes, sir!
Safety goggles on, observe the reaction.
Whoa.
See that? Pure energy. Lithium with water, watch closely.
Fizzing slowly.
Welcome to ChemPlus, welcome to ChemPlus. We have decided to look at group 1 metals, the alkali metals. The alkali metals. One thing that we want to look at the beginning is the electron structure. Why are they in group 1? They are in group 1 because, you tell me. They are in group 1 because they have one electron in the outer shell. They've got one electron in the outer shell. That's why they are placed in group 1. How do they react? How do the alkali metals react? They react by losing one electron to form a +1 charge. You might remember in ionic bonding, sodium reacting with chlorine, sodium loses one electron to form +1, chlorine gains 1 to form -1. So alkali metals form a +1 charge. And one thing that we got to know about alkali metals is they've got the same properties, similar physical and chemical properties. Okay, now what do we notice about alkali metals? I've just picked the first 3 there. What do you notice as we go down the group? They become bigger. That means since they react by losing an electron, if the electron on this one is there, it's very far from the nucleus, so it's easily lost compared to the electron in sodium is closer and in lithium is closer. That's why potassium is more reactive. Lithium is number 3. You are expected to know the arrangements of electrons in shells. Have a go for lithium. Number 3, atomic number 3. 2 shells, 2 inside, 1 outside. Sodium, atomic number 11, 2, 8, 1. 3 shells. So if an element has got 2 shells, what period is it in? Period 2. If an element has got 3 shells, what period is it in? Period 3. So if potassium is atomic number 19, how many shells does it have? How many shells? 4 shells, which means it's in period 4. You are widely expected to know the electron configuration. What is the electron configuration for lithium? What is the electron configuration for lithium? Well done, 2, 1. What is the electron configuration for sodium? Well done, 2, 8, 1. What is the electron configuration for potassium? I'm not going to tell you this one. Well done, 2, 8, 8, 1. Now, we're going to stop and think, why are they called alkali metals? Why are they called alkali metals? When we were carrying the experiment in the classroom, after we put sodium in water and we put indicator in the water, universal indicator, what color did we get? Blue, purple. They are called alkali metals because when they react with water, they produce alkalis. Lithium plus water, lithium hydroxide plus hydrogen. Sodium plus water, sodium hydroxide plus hydrogen. This is the reason why they are called alkali metals, because when they react with water, they do form these alkalis there. They form alkalis. Now, the most important thing that we want to look at today is what are the unusual properties of water, of alkali metals? What are the unusual properties of alkali metals? I beg your pardon. The unusual properties are: 1, they are very soft. You can cut them, slice them with a knife. 2, they are all very reactive. We don't expect metals to be that reactive, so these are unusual properties. And another unusual property, they are less dense. If you do your revision around the few minutes I've given you on this slide, you will be okay on alkali metals. I am going now. You should start taking your deep dives. Start taking your deep dives. Year 11 mocks. Start taking your deep dives. Year 10, year 9, Group 1 metal.
All right, what did we learn about Group 1 metals?
They're very reactive with water and may form +1 ion.